to Philippine Stagers Foundation. Present, young models.
Angela Sandagon, 22, from Caloocan City. And I believe in the saying that beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself. And I thank you.
Guys, it's not a dress rehearsal. The curtain's up and you are on. So get out there and give it your best shot. Kenneth Titano, 24, from the City of Stars, Quezon City!
Shane McDowell, 21, from Pampanga, Manila.
Eric Paulo, 16, from San Jose City, Nueva Ecija. At naniniwala po ako na sa tulong at mabuting gabay ng mga taong naniniwala sa akin ay maaabot ko ang aking mga pangarap. Yun lamang po, maraming salamat.
Suffering from depression and sexual harassment, here am I, believing in Christian theory itself. Every man is a king. Justin Abbas, 26, from the land of the gateway of the North, pagbulan ng iba't ibang lahi, Tarlac City!
My name is Mel Pascua, 20 years old, Sampaloc, Manila. And naniniwala ko sa kasabihan na the world is a runway. So, walk the hell out of it. Thank you.
Jason Chan, 25 years old, from Quezon City. As what Mother Teresa said, not all of us can do great things, but all of us can do small things with great love. Thank you.
Fast Bucket. Forgiveness give us the freedom to stay and freedom to stay away. Thank you. Ang totoong tagumpay ng buhay ay hindi makikita sa hindi pagkatalo, kundi sa pagbangon sa bawat pagkatalo. Standing in front of you is a 23 years old stunner from the city of love, Iloilo City! Pag-ililok.
From Quezon City, and I believe in the saying that to be the better person.
Hey everyone, I'm John Miguel Lanya. I'm 15 years old. I am from Alana City. And always remember to stay happy, follow your dreams, and don't stop believing. Because you need to first believe in yourself in order for other people to believe in you.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here are your Batch 2 workshop participants in their casual. Batch 2 in their casual wear. Grabe din, no? Napaka-diverse.
Diverse na.
Hindi ba yung makikita mo dito?
Natulog yan.
Okay.
Kasama natin yan eh.
Siyempre, katulad kaninang batch 1, gusto rin namin kayong mas makilala pa. So, Ate Steph?
Sige, let's ask Jason. Okay,
Yes.
what's your inspiration sa iyong outfit? Step forward center para makita ng ating mga judge ang iyong casual wear. What's your inspiration sa iyong casual wear tonight?
I'd like to stay comfortable while looking good. So, yeah, this is my outfit for today.
Simple lang no.
Comfortable na.
Walang pumasok sa ulo ko. Walang pumasok, naglalag na ako. Pero yes.
Start ka na.
Naglalag lang. But anyways, thank you, Jason.
Next naman natin, syempre, ang ating baby girl, si Sadaya Barabada. Ito sa center. Ayan, same question lang din. What is your inspiration?
It's because I'm also girly and I'm also British. So
Yan. Boyish daw siya with na girlish.
Girlish.
So, ito yung kanyang outfit na
yes.
as a
Thank
casual.
you,
Thank you, Sanaya.
Okay, Steph,
Another
isa pa?
one. Let's call on... Hoy! Yung mga lang sa basta.
Okay.
Hirap.
Sige, pala na bibilan. So, tawagin natin. Si Shane Magdaon. Dito ka, center ka. So, Shane, same question lang din. Anong naging inspiration mo sa casual wear mo?
my personality, I want to stay sweet girl, something comfortable at the same time.
Yun. Simple. Comfortable lang talaga.
Yes.
Pagdating ko sa batch na to,
Mas pinili nilang maging comfortable. Eh, kung kayo yung personal, makatamad sila.
Thank you,
ganon.
Shane. Thank you so much.
Okay, so last natin.
Last, ikaw na. Benedict daw.
Yes, sige. Audience choice. Sige, Benedict.
What's your inspiration sa yung casual wear outfit for tonight?
Dahil mukha naman po akong Korean sa suot ko to. Kaya, kamsahamnida! Sarangayo!
Thank you, Benedict. Korean opa ang kanyang peg sa casual look na. Sige daw.
Sige. Pagbibigyan natin yung nag-request. Oo naman.
Same question. What's your inspiration sa yung casual wear?
Bukod, something trendy rin sa'yo. Medyo Korean. Paano yung Korean?
Paano yung Korean? Korean.
Paano yung Korean? Korean ba yun?
Korean pala yun.
Okay. So, ano yan?
Ano yun?
Sige. Ang dami yung mga request. Mel! Mel! Ano nga? Text! Mel! Nandito kami!
Okay, same question. Anong inspiration mo dyan sa outfit mo na yun? At di pa shades ka.
Siguro inspiration ko is Gucci's Spring and Summer 2024-2025. Yun yung ano ko, yun yung...
Summer 2020.
Yan, Gucci collection, Spring and Summer.
Gucci collection!
Yes. And pagod inspiration. Yes.
Paano mo sa wardrobe, pinagsama-sama na lang.
Thank you, Mel. So, ngayon naman, manghihingi tayo ng comments sa judges.
Ikaw naman.
Okay. Siyempre, simulan naman natin ngayon kay Mr. Raymond Johnson.
Kaya I'm looking for something wearable, something relatable. So, may mga nakita naman ako na parang susuot ko din siya. Tsaka yung something little comfortable. Ayun, so over yourself guys and be confident. Ayun.
Thank you, Mr. Raymond Samson. Next is Mr. Villar.
Maganda yung batch ito kasi nga, nagpakita din sila ng diversity nila. Siyempre, gusto ko din yung mga ganyan-ganyan something, no? Na talagang pwede mong gamitin at hindi yung pang rampa lang.
Yes. Wow. Correct. Thank you, Ms. Pilar. And lastly, Mr. Bruce.
And, congratulations. And then, lahat naman kayo, ang maganda sa batch na to, kung sa kabila maraming laban na laban, dito ang daming neat, ang daming ang daming parang sweet, good boy lang tingnan. Pero lahat naman kayo na, actually gusto ko yung sinabi ni Jason, no? Ang casual wear is not about wearing fancy clothes or kung ano man. Kung saan kayo comfortable, and I think that's the best casual.
Thank you so much, Mr. Bruce. That was really a nice one.
Thank you. Thank you, judges.
Thank you, judges. And now